However, New Zealand's bowlers fought back, with Glenn Phillips and Trent Boult leading the charge. Phillips took 3 crucial wickets, including that of the dangerous Glenn Maxwell, while Boult also picked up 3 wickets. Mitchell Marsh and Josh Inglis made significant contributions down the order, with Marsh scoring 36 and Inglis adding a quick-fire 38 to push Australia's total closer to the 400-run mark. New Zealand's chase will require an exceptional effort to overcome the challenging target set by Australia. With Head's electrifying century and Warner's fireworks, the match promises to be a thrilling contest in the 2023 ICC Cricket World Cup.